So just I will release from the path so that now if any updates are there, still it's not completed. Still 135. Maybe in the next sometime it will complete and we will get the status codes are very important. If you see here 67014, then next would be 67. So is there any updates in SCCM console as of now? Let me come down and click and come it again. And I need to refresh here. So any updates in all software updates? Yes, no,
No, it's not available.
no updates because still it's update syncing to one more to one. See, it's done. See, 156 of 156 completed. Now it will see sleep for some 60 seconds to 120 seconds. It will pass to the SCCM server. Then you can see automatically the updates if you refresh. No, once you got the 6705, then you can see some updates are coming here. So it's going to sleep for 120 seconds. Then it will pass the hand to SCCM server. The updates which are in this WSS server, where this WSS console. Okay. So here see 43 updates are there. Okay. 47 updates, 47 security updates. Okay. Just wait for a minute. Then it downloads the metadata from the WSS server to our SCCM server. Okay. WSS. So subject wise, if you want to improve, you need to read blogs, reading. So once you go internally, then it's nobody will ask you questions and all. Okay. But you read the subject, read a blog, at least weekly once a blog, what happens? No, you will like be stronger in a theoretical way. See here, let me keep it in, if you see here, total 376 categories proceeded, 6705. See, updates are coming, no? Total 47 updates are there. If you refresh here in SCCM console now, you will get the updates. Came
Yes.
18.
Yeah.
If you see here, total out of how many updates? Out of 156, 47. Why? Because 3 months older than superseded update will not be seen in SCCM. But that updates are like all the updates can be seen in WSS console, not in the SCCM console. Will see only the active
3 months.
patches. And last 3 months
Active.
superseded and expired, not older than 3 months. See, it's completed. See, but if you same like if you select Windows 10, it will take almost like 15 minutes for this. For this synchronization, it will take almost like 30 to 40 minutes of time. So last, what is the status code here?
6702.
How much time is taken? 19 minutes.
19 minutes.
What is the updates where we can see refresh and see? Is yellow one
18.
is called superseded update. Okay. Then we can discuss tomorrow what is superseded, what is expired. Superseded means old month patch. Okay.
Okay,
So
but count is different. There are 48, 47
47,
is
maybe this
appearing.
superseded, maybe 47 are total updates. In that 47, these are superseded updates. If I
18 are the active.
18 are the last 3 months superseded expired one. If you want all, you need to increase the 3 months to 12 months, then you will get some more updates. Clear?
Yeah.
These are only 2019 updates. Am I clear?
Hmm.
Now what I will do, you know how to get the updates here? All? How we are getting the updates?
from WSS.
WSS. సో ఇది మనం ఇట్స్ నాట్ మచ్ వరీ బికాస్ కంపెనీలో ఈ అప్డేట్స్ అన్ని ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటాయి. ఇన్ కంపెనీలో వీ విల్ గెట్ ఆల్ ద అప్డేట్స్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ. నో నీడ్ టు వర్రీ అబౌట్ ద అప్డేట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. అగైన్ గో టు సెక్యూరిటీ ఒకటి ఉంచొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దాం, వీ నీడ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ విండోస్ 10 ఇయర్ నౌ బికాస్ మనం ప్యాచ్ చేసేది విండోస్ 10 కాబట్టి. ఓకే, లెట్ ఐ సెలెక్ట్ విండోస్ 10. నేను ఇప్పుడు విండోస్ 10 సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే మొత్తం అన్ని వచ్చేస్తాయి, నాకు అవి వద్దు అనమాట. సో ఐ వాంట్ విండోస్ 10 1903 ఆర్ అబోవ్ అనే క్యాటలాగ్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి. వేర్ ఇస్ దిస్ కేటగిరీ? విండోస్ 10 1903 ఆర్ లేటర్
There only.
ఇక్కడ. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ ఈ ఓఎస్ వెర్షన్ కంటే హయ్యర్ వెర్షన్ మాత్రం వస్తుంది అనమాట. వీ డోంట్ నీడ్ బికాస్ 1809 ఆర్ మోస్ట్ ఆర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రొడక్ట్. ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ 1809 ఆల్సో దెన్ యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ విండోస్ 10. Okay, because as a test lab we can select this one. In production they will select this one also, that's fine. Because for this if you select only, then you try to shrink again. Shrink there you can do a different way. You can open like here a PowerShell command. Okay, then you can type the full shrink also from a PowerShell command. There is a command called cm hyphen or sync hyphen cm software update hyphen full sync. We need to give something here. Full sync equal to true. Enter something dollar true. Okay, it's done. When you create this, it will automatically start the synchronization. See, inbox is dropped, right? Waiting for inbox. Automatically what happens, no, whenever you do a sync, it will create same inboxes. Go to wsync mgr. I will show you next time. Whenever you create, if you go to SCCM inboxes, it will create a wsync mgr.box. If you open, it will create a full .sync file here automatically. Is it clear what I'm saying to you? Whenever you do a sync, let me, if I cannot do right now in middle, let me see if I can, what happens. It won't do in middle of the things. It's already in process, right? So whenever you initiate, what happens, it will create one new file called full.sync or self.sync, which triggers the synchronization. Let's do again the next time tomorrow for a test purpose. We will see the file is getting created or not. Now again it will contact Microsoft. Then again it will do the Windows 10 all updates. Again it will take some time. Okay, that's it for today's class. Okay, if you want you can wait for 5 or 10 minutes and see and go, or that's fine, because the same procedure, all updates, Windows 10 updates will come into SCCM console. We can review this log tomorrow so that how much time it's taken, what are the updates where you can see. Okay, then we can continue the client area. Clear what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
The same, if you select Windows 10, Windows 10 will come. If you select 2016, 16 updates will come. Update count will increase, the number of updates will increase. Okay.
Okay.
So any doubts, I will leave for 5 minutes for questions. If you have any queries, concerns, you can ask me. Friend, upgrades that comes under upgrade. You need to tick upgrades and check a sync. We'll do it. End of that tomorrow, we'll do that sync so that updates will come. See how many updates are there? Total 814 updates are available for Windows 10. So here also showed like that. But next when they're syncing, it will say actual 3 months, the one which updates, then it will see in your console. See how much estimation it's giving. Almost 24 minutes. Then it will take 30 minutes of time to download into the WSS database first.
8.14 is the total Windows update, right? Windows
Yeah,
10 update.
yeah, Windows 10
It will
updates.
total, which only it will load 3 months
Means less
patches
than 3 months, what are the active superseded or expert, that only will show in the console.
console. Okay.
So what are the products you want? Check the mark, shrink it. Whether it's a PowerShell or it's a manual, it's up to you. Okay.
This is a one-time activity, right? Once we made these things
One time activity only. The company
up,
already all products are selected. Generally, what will select anyway, if you after 3 years, if you want to releasing 2022 server operating system, you need to give a check. 2019, it's
okay,
not checked, you need to check because the new operating every year the new products will add. No, only server operating system
correct.
will change.
Whichever new product comes, we
Yeah.
keep on selecting those
Okay,
products.
selecting and sync it. That's it.
Mm, okay.
But in companies, all updates are already available. From here, we need to work on every
Yeah.
month. That is what
But
very important. Until now, what we said is theoretical concept until it is important for your lab. It's not important if you do not understand also, that's fine. But what are the class which we teach tomorrow, that is very, very important.
yeah, it covers end to end how it happens, starts
Yeah,
and
but
where
we
it.
need to know this process and theory,
Correct.
anything only. But yeah, but company, what you do is that is what we do tomorrow. Okay, that you need to more focus. If you want to more focus, first you need to set up a lab. This that is also important. Okay, clear what I'm saying to you.
Yeah.
So I think yeah, in our lab you can enable who is using that online lab where you can they can sync and practice the things, get the updates. See, failure will come. The failures only you can solve and then we move forward. If there is no failures, then you will be end up somewhere. Okay, the failures has to get there. You need to resolve the issues. You will get the same issues in the production also. The console is same. Only the number of machines in the production is more. Now test lab will have only two machines. In production we have 20,000, 30,000, maybe 50,000. That is the difference between a production console and a test console. And the naming convention will be different. We'll give whatever the name we want. If we give proper naming standards as per the production, it looks like a production only. Okay, then see you tomorrow at same time, 8 o'clock.